Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do facial exercises, like I guess movement for the face to lift it upwards rather than it having like going with gravity and sagging and all of that stuff. So I'm going to show you two tools that I've got. I actually have three, but I thought these two are kind of similar to each other, so I thought I'd mention that as well as show you guys what I like to do. But before I get into it, do hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you don't miss out on any of my videos that are posted on here. So I actually just filmed a look and I quickly removed my makeup. Normally what I would do is I would do this whole routine in the morning and at night once I've washed my face and I'm doing my skincare routine. I haven't done it that way now because I wear contacts. Well, I'm wearing contacts to film, and I thought, you know, let's just take off my makeup and show you guys, right? What you want to do is make sure that your skin is moisturized beforehand. So whether you use oils, serums, moisturizers, whatever it is, make sure that there's a bit of slip on your skin. Right now I've got nothing on my skin, and if I was to try and kind of maneuver, I'm pulling on my skin, and that's what you don't want to do. So I'm gonna just take a moisturizer and I'm going to pop that all over my skin first, and then I'll show you what I do. You guys have seen my older videos where I've done the cheek exercise, which is going and then stretching, so I've done a nose exercise, which is going like this and, you know, pushing downwards on the nose. But today it's not that. Today I'm going to show you something else. So I'm going to start off with the jaw. What you want to do is hold your chin here. That way, when you're moving the skin, so you're literally gonna put your thumb under and your finger on the top. When you're moving, you're not pulling the whole of your face. You're keeping it here and you're moving across. This is gonna help with your muscle and it'll help you get a more chiseled look. If you feel like your moisturizer is drying on your skin, just get some more and just kind of put it on your fingers so then you're not pulling on the skin. This also helps with draining, so if you do have any fluid, which we all do to be honest, it helps with that. And I'm just taking it upwards. You can take it down like this and like that. Eventually what will happen is when you keep up with doing this, you'll start seeing that your jawline becomes a lot more chiseled, and it'll look a lot more defined. If you do have sensitive skin, just make sure that you don't aggravate your skin and go over it too much, because trust me, I've done that in the past and I'll wake up and I'll have like a pimple, I'll be like, oh crap, you know. The next thing is when it comes to your under eyes or your cheeks. So I'm just going to apply a bit of cream on my fingers. So when it comes to, so say like when you relax your face, so my mouth used to actually droop slightly. It used to droop. And I never liked that. I was like, what's going on, right? So what you want to do is make sure you're taking it upwards to underneath your cheekbones, okay? By doing this, you're training the muscle to go upwards and not with gravity, okay? Because that's what we don't want. What I like to do is when I do it, I like to make sure that, so when you're doing it, you'll be able to feel your cheekbones. You want to get under that. And what I like to do is I like to take it up and just hold it for a couple of seconds, like 10 seconds or so, and then let go. And whenever I do it, I always feel like I can just see a difference, and it's just so nice. I like it. And again, and I'm not doing the whole routine like however many times I would do it, because I'm going to do it later on once I've washed my face, right? So I'm just showing you guys. What I like to do is I like to spend a good, I'd say about half an hour on my skincare, massaging. I like to do that because I feel like that's my time, and sometimes you don't get your time, you know. The next thing is for your cheeks. So again, you want to take it upwards. Everything just needs to go upwards. You do not want to drag downwards. So that's what I would do with my cheeks. Then when it comes to my forehead and my eyebrows, naturally one muscle can be a bit higher than the other. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to pull and just do this sort of action going upwards and then just hold, and then the same on this side, pull and then hold like that. And what you can do is you can also pinch your brows, but personally I don't like to. I like to just lift and hold. Any sort of movement which is going upwards and, like I said, going against gravity will really help. For my nose, there isn't anything that I do that's different to the nose exercise. I only ever do that, and for me, I have to do it. It's a must. I just like it. I like the look. And literally you're going to put your finger here and go. So you're not moving this lip, you're pushing down with the muscles of your nose, you're pushing down, okay? So going, that is it, okay? And then lastly, for my eyes, for your eyes, be very gentle, okay? Because we do get lines and this area is so delicate. So I'm not really pulling and tugging. I hope it hasn't gone like too dark. I've just drawn one of the curtains, but I'm not pulling and tugging on my eyes. I'm just gently just lifting like this. What you don't want to do is you do not want to go like this, okay? Just gently lift and hold. And again, take it across, lift and hold. So that is what I would do, and I do that every single day, like I said, day and night. And for me, I feel like I can really feel a difference and see a difference. And whenever I post on Instagram, I'm always getting asked, like, you know, you're looking, well, being told, sorry, you're looking a bit different, what is it that you're doing? And for me, it's my facial exercises. So I have two facial tools. One is your standard roller, face roller, and the other one is an electronic one. And if you can hear this, it vibrates, okay? So with this, it works the same way as this, but with this you're kind of getting a bit more of an action. So what I would do with this is take it under the cheek, under the bone, hold, but the good thing is you can drain, so it goes downwards. I love doing facial exercises, facial massage. I love it, right? My skin always goes red with it afterwards, and I think I'm getting a new friend right here. With your rollers, again, it's the same. It's more like drainage. You can drain underneath your eyes, lift upwards, again upwards, but here take it down where the drainage would happen. I love these tools. If you want me to do an actual video on it, tell me and I will do it, but I want to show you how I do my facial massage again. So let me just take it back. I get asked what have I done different, or I'm looking different. I get told that on Instagram, and the only thing that I've been doing religiously, oh my god, I don't know for how long, but I absolutely love doing it, is this, the facial massage and the exercises. Again, I haven't done like a whole full routine that I would do. I just wanted to share this with you guys so you guys can learn something, right? I feel like okay, so I'm in my 30s now, and I feel like as age is going on, naturally we go with gravity, okay? Naturally it happens. And if we can try and better our, you know, the sagging of our face, why not, right? Why not? So this is what I do. If you want to see another review with my skincare alongside the facial massage, let me know and I will do that. If you want to see how I do my facial exercise and massage with the tools, then please comment in the comments below. Anyway, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, give me a positive comment and a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in another one. Bye guys.